From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weekend weather.
Hey folks, good morning and happy Sunday. If you liked yesterday, you will like today. Sunscreen for Sunday. That's what you're going to need here because it's going to be hot out there. Temperatures in the 90s once again. Rain chances ticking up though over the next few days, and also heat indexes rising. Both of those as a result of increasing moisture in the area. So let's start out here, see what we have in store for today. Again, yesterday and today, pretty much exactly the same type of day, right? We're going to be in the 90s across the area. Classic July pattern. You do notice some spotty shower activity across the Tennessee Valley, but I really don't see it centered up on us, and even still, if that was, that's not very widespread by any stretch of the imagination. Don't cancel plans for worries or rain chances or anything like that. Of course, keep an eye on the radar, maybe watch if you see a little bit of a developing cumulus off in the distance, but I don't expect any huge issues from that with those highs in the 90s. Then as we head through tomorrow morning, we'll be back in the 70s for lows once again, and then Monday, isolated thunder shower activity is expected. Now, as we head into the midweek, I do suspect that's whenever we start to see those increasing rain chances across the area. Notice you do see that signal on this GFS Futurecast model here as we head through Wednesday, Thursday here as well of the possibility of development. So let's keep an eye on that midweek time frame for more thunderstorms. Some of those could be on the stronger side. We're talking wind gusts 40 miles an hour or so, heavy downpours, that sort of deal there. Classic for this time of year, right? So you kind of see that peak in the middle and second half of the week of those rain chances, perhaps becoming a little more widespread. So some scattered thunderstorm activity here in that time frame wouldn't shock me in the slightest. But again, through today, we're just fine. I really don't expect any huge issues, just spotty stuff at worst. Isolated through tomorrow, maybe even into Tuesday, but after that, I think the wet pattern kind of sticks around, at least for a little bit. We might pick up an inch and a half of rain when all is said and done with it. So we'll watch that very carefully, not expecting any severe weather or anything like that, but this is a very classic pattern that you would see pretty much any summer here in the Tennessee Valley.